Right guys, okay, so nice easy thing for us to do to start off. So I'm just going to fire up Inkscape with a new document. I'm going to double click that, and then I'm just going to stretch. I'm going to go down to the bottom. Now I need my text tool, create and edit text objects. I'm going to have a little text box, and I'm going to put, you're going to put your name in here. Okay, your name and your class code. Yeah, not my name, your name and your class code. When we've done that, we can have our selection tool. Let's click that padlock. Okay, and what that will do is it means that the aspect ratio will stay fixed. So we can make it a bit bigger. We can move it down. We can have it any color we want. Okay, I really don't care what color it is. Yeah, you've got these buttons here to go through the colors. Some really nice colors. Anything you want. Okay, when we've done that, I'm going to go File, Save Template. Okay, not save template. Yeah, and this is our template with name. And we're going to set it as our default template. Save that. And what that does, close that without saving, the next time we fire up Inkscape, the next time we have a new document, there we go. It's there automatically. Okay? And that will be very useful for us in the future. Very good.